Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize and use bilingual subtitles on YouTube using a free Chrome extension called Language Reactor. Watching videos on streaming platforms is a great way to enjoy content from different countries. But the problem is that many videos don't include subtitles in your own language, which makes it difficult to follow the plot or understand what's being said. That's why having a bilingual subtitle tool is so useful. In this video, we'll be using a Chrome extension called Language Reactor. It lets you display two subtitle languages at the same time, allows basic customization of the subtitle style, and even can help with language learning while you watch. Now let's walk through the process step by step. Start by heading to the Chrome Web Store and searching for Language Reactor. Click Add to Chrome, and once it's installed, go to YouTube and play any video. You'll see a small LR icon below the video, and if you don't want to use the extension for a particular video, you can simply click that icon to turn it off. Then, open the settings panel on the right side. In this panel, you can choose the two subtitle languages you want to display. For example, English-Japanese. Adjust the subtitle font and font size. If needed, you can also turn on auto pause, which automatically stops the video after each line. You can also disable the machine-translated subtitle if you only want to show the original subtitle line. It is also a great tool for picking up new language. While the video is playing, try clicking any word in the subtitle. The video will instantly pause and pop up the translation, so you can understand the meaning without opening another tab. If it's a word you want to learn, simply add it to your vocabulary list with one click. If you want to review the subtitles later, Language Reactor also lets you export the subtitle script. Open the menu and click Export, and you can save the subtitles as either a web page or an Excel file. That's how you customize and use bilingual subtitles using Language Reactor. If you need more control over your subtitles, you can also use StreamFab to back up the video and export the subtitle files, then manually create your own fully customized bilingual subtitles. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want me to show the StreamFab method in another video. See you next time.